people, in case I'm meeting me for the first time, I go by the name MC Banso, I go by the name MC Banso. They call me Son of Comedy. It's Royal Talkative online Zaddy, and I'm here with Melanie Pom.
Oh, the Magalicious baby, the number one on board today on the High Court.
Oh, this is your eyeglass, baby, like ring over full light. So, ladies and gentlemen, and I here with the entertainment crib, and I here with the carry matter with this matter, with the happen for your area. Anywhere with the carry matter come, and I just like gossip, but no call and gossip, we'll call it amebo. Now, so it be so the matter will carry come now about the Ooni of Ife. Ooni of Ife, congratulations, sir. She don't wed, he don't wed the oil and gas big girl. Yeah, the girl we say everybody they talk. Say where this girl they come for? Kogi State. Mariam Ajibola Anako. Ooni of Ife married this time, and a lot of people know they talk. Say like they're not the count wife for the king. Saying that the third one be this, why it go be like that? The first one come on, the second one he chop breakfast. Now this is the third one, so you can't reach some where the level don't reach now. We say the wife we say she married last Naomi she left on now her announce on social media say she don't leave Ooni of Ife, but we know they know the main reason, the tangible reason why all these women they leave king. I don't know people where palace we say everybody won't go, girls they hungry to go. And all these ones they go, that they come out. So there must be a tangible reason. But congratulations to you. Happy marriage life to you, sir. So this one, we don't expect me to come out. We don't want to see me come out. You know they go nowhere.
I don't understand though.
Understand?
I go start today. Say make I say congratulations to Ooni of Ife and to Mrs. Mariam, the latest on board wife now. You know, as things they go, when woman just newly married like that now, the marriage now she they face. This matter, maybe this man and man, I make her when they reason the matter they go. But make her first ask, waiting pursue the first wife. You be no waiting pursue.
No be me we go ask.
Okay.
I will give you location. You go meet Ooni.
Okay. Now Ooni of Ife married the first wife.
Yes.
When you marry second one, first wife come out.
No be before you marry the second.
Before you marry the second one, the first one come out. Now you can say okay, else you don't come make and marry second one. You go marry second one come. Now you can say okay, you don't see Mariam don't enter in eye. And you like the way Mariam.
Before maybe, you see Mariam, this one don't come.
This one now don't say okay.
Breakfast.
Else you don't they reach where matter they go. Before Mariam go enter house, maybe come they pack my car they go. I beg. Ooni of Ife. This matter high plenty.
Even this marriage where they do now, they already start the arrangements is March. Now they don't arrange the matter. So the matter not they breed. So before the tea can explode, you know, say nothing for this country. Everything with the tea say they cover. Once you reach social media, everybody don't hear and be that. So this one come post say okay, big girl, oil and gas from Kogi. Now only one man.
Maybe like Ebira, I guess.
Ebira girl, yeah.
Wow.
They say
this one they go anywhere.
No, who tell you say no they go?
They go nowhere. I come my state. Nowhere I go.
I believe. This time around.
Nowhere I go.
No breakfast.
Only you don't understand. Number one na oil and gas she dey work with. She hold money. And Ooni of Ife hold money.
So money.
So you understand when money jam money as things they be.
Yeah, wow.
This one I go nowhere. I don't come now stay. I can't stay.
Yeah, wow.
I go where I want go.
Yeah, wow.
Anybody when want come, you go meet me for here. Now here we go there. You go know na me be the wife for both.
Voila. So you know say when money jam money, they will get me to misunderstanding. But this one is a like palace. Everybody wants to be in palace. So this one not like oil and gas. She get money day. So I don't know. We don't know how, but congratulations to Ooni of Ife. Congratulations to Mariam and Nako. Happy marriage life
to both.
Very soon now, one can chop rice for Peking. So we gonna do them. Chop. We go come. We be amiable. We gonna gossip for them. Take it or leave it. So that's how we do. And tell me for no cost code. We will give you feedback on top this one. Just share, like, and subscribe. They only common money for your account for subscription. Just click and then you don't go be that. So ladies and gentlemen, just stay tuned. We're still here on Entertainment Crib.